Hello guys, you're welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do self-clicking with your smartphone and with your computer. So this is going to be a live training with you guys, and all the details I'm going to be showing you guys here is what I've been using to make money with self-clicking on CPA marketing. I know many of you would have been heard about self-clicking on CPA marketing, but you don't know how to go about it, or you might have watched several videos on YouTube showing you how you can be able to make use of self-clicking techniques to make money with CPA marketing. And I'm sure most of these people does not even show you the real tools they use to make money with self-clicking. Right now I'm going to reveal all the secrets to you on how you can be able to make self-clicking with your smartphone, with your computer, and make a lot of money for yourself every single day. So this is going to be a live training with you guys, so I can be able to show you how you can be able to make use of self-clicking techniques with your smartphone to make thousands of dollars every single day. And don't forget, this is going to be a free training, okay? It's going to be a free training, and this is the series 1 of this particular training on self-clicking. That means we still have other videos that are going to come up that are going to be showing you how to make self-clicking with your smartphone. It's going to be a practical step-by-step video, so you don't have to miss any part of this video. So if this is the first time of coming to my YouTube channel, my name is Larry Smart and I'm an internet marketer, and all I basically do is to go out there and look for the best working strategies. I try them how they work, and once they finally work, I come back right here, create a video around them, show you step by step on how to do them. I create videos around making money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, invest, and any type of make money online. So if this interests you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification to all, so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to be the first person to see this particular video. And don't forget, we are in the series 1 of this particular training on self-clicking, and this is one of the hardest things that a lot of people find it difficult to make money with self-clicking. Why? Is because CPA network has a strong security that governs their CPA network, and this alone cannot allow you to make use of any VPN or proxy to be able to take tax on their platform to make money. So they have a lot of securities that will detect you and cut you, and once they cut you, that is the end of your account. You'll get your account banned. And that is why I want to show you how you can be able to do this, how you can be able to stay without getting banned from CPA network. So that is what I'll be showing you guys right here in this video. So if that interests you, go right there and hit that subscribe button so that you'll be able to watch the next series of this particular tutorial. So let's move to the main video. So right now I'm going to show you how we can be able to do proper configuration of our computer or our smartphone. Okay, this is going to be a practical step by step. CPA network has a lot of securities that are going to detect you. So right now what we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be configuring our laptop or our smartphone to the extent that CPA network can never detect us or to get our IP address and cut us blocked on their platform. So that means that we are going to be safe for us to go ahead and self-click on that platform and make a lot of money for ourselves. So if that interests you guys, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and stay updated. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you here live self-clicking that you are not going to be missing. Okay, so I'm not going to show you everything right here in this video, but what I'm going to be showing here is the first step and the most important thing that you need to do before you start self-clicking with your laptop or with your smartphone. Okay, so let's begin the training. So the first thing we have to do here is we are going to be adding a Chrome extension. Okay, we are going to be adding a Chrome extension, and the Chrome extension, the first one is Smart Cleaner. So let's move to our browser and let me show you how you can be able to add this particular Chrome extension on your browser. So right here we are, and the next thing you have to do is to come to the top here and search for the Smart Cleaner. Okay, search for Smart Cleaner Chrome extension. Once you see the Smart Cleaner Chrome extension, just go ahead and tap it, and it's going to bring you right here. And make sure you click on the one that has a Google logo on it, this Google logo. So go ahead and click on it to add it. And once you click it, just wait a second for it to open. And once it opens, you are going to see it right like this. You can see here history and cache cleaner, Smart Cleaner. Okay, so this is the Smart Cleaner, and you can see here it says remove from Chrome. Why it's showing me remove from Chrome is because I've already added it on my browser, and as you can see it here, it's already here on my browser. Okay, so but for your own case, if you are just using this particular tool for the first time, you are going to see Smart Cleaner here, and you're going to see add to Chrome at this particular spot. Okay, go ahead and click to add it to Chrome. Once you add it to Chrome, you are done with the first step of this one, and we are going to be moving to the second one. But before we move to there, let me show you or tell you exactly why we need this smart cleaner, so that you make sure you take it serious and go ahead and add it on your browser. So this smart cleaner here, if you tap it on the top here, you are going to see that it has cache, it has cookies, it has downloads, it has history, storage, and passwords. Okay, so why we need to have this particular one set up on our system is because anytime we self-click on any tags at all on CPA network, either you are using CPA grip, CPA build, craft revenue, CPA lead, anything at all, artwork media and all. So if you make sure you self-click on any of them, the next thing you have to do is that this particular tool is going to help you to delete the cache and the history. Make sure you set it on this particular tool, cache and history. Then it's going to delete all your cache and history, so that you can be able to go ahead and self-click another one. So you make sure you come here and click on cache and history, click on clear to clear them. Okay, so if you don't clear them, most of this particular CPA network is still going to detect you, because all your cache and history are still in your system and are still in your mobile phone. So you make sure you clean them so that they are going to go away from your system. So once you have done that, as you come to this particular spot, you are going to see 1 hour. Okay, make sure you set it on 1 hour, and so that it's going to be able to delete by itself. If you don't want to come here manually by clicking here and click on clear. Okay, my own is set as 1 hour, and that is what I recommend you to do. And here we proceed to the next Chrome extension, and the next thing here is canvas fingerprint. So let's come back to our Chrome, and once we reach here on our Chrome, so we have to go ahead and search for canvas fingerprint. Okay, go ahead and search for canvas fingerprint. You are going to see canvas fingerprint defender. Okay, go ahead and click on the one that says canvas fingerprint defender, and make sure you select the one that has a Google logo on top of it. Okay, so go ahead and do that, and once it opens here like this, you can see here the canvas fingerprint defender has a remove to Chrome already here. That means that I have already added it on my Chrome, and if you can come here, you're going to see it here. And let me show you or tell you exactly what we are going to use this particular tool for. So this canvas fingerprint is going to help us to defend anytime CPA network want to detect our browser or detect our tax performance. Okay, so that is why we need to add this particular Chrome extension on our laptop or your smartphone or any device at all you want to use for this particular self-clicking. And if you come here, I'm going to see here my fingerprint. So this is going to be taught deeply in the next video. Okay, that is why you have to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you stay tuned to the next series. Okay, so right now that is what we require this particular tool for, so that is going to defend us anytime CPA network want to detect us from clicking on their platform. So let's move to the next one, and the next one here is going to be user agent switcher. So let's come back to our browser and we open a new tab. Let's search for user agent switcher. So you can see the user agent switcher here. Go ahead and click on the one that has a manager. Okay, user agent switcher and manager. Go ahead and click on the first one that has a Google logo on it. So it's going to take you directly to the real application. Okay, so once you reach here, you can see here this one has already been added on my system, and you can see here remove from Chrome, and this is the image of it. Make sure you take note of that, so that you won't go ahead and download any other one that will not give you what we are looking for. Okay, now if you can see here, say remove from Chrome, and let me show you why we have to add this particular one. This is one of the best tools you should be able to add on your smartphone or your PC. And if you come right here, you're going to see this is the interface of the user agent. And why we need this particular tool is because user agent has a lot of devices inside of it that we can be able to use. And if you come right here, you can see here Chrome, and we have different browsers here on this particular user agent switcher. Okay, so that is why we need this particular tool. And if you come here, you're going to see this Safari, you see Chrome, you see Firefox, Opera, Edge, and all other browsers right here. So right now, what I will recommend you to go ahead and use is for you to use this particular Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Edge. So you can use this particular tool or this particular tree for you to go ahead and do your self-clicking. Okay, so for instance, we have to use Chrome. Okay, and if I use Chrome right here at this particular spot, you are going to see window. So they have different type of things. You can select either window or you can select any other stuff. So if you come here and see window, you are going to see Mac, you are going to see Linux, you are going to see all these ones. You can see even Android, iOS, and all other ones. So right now, what I would recommend for you, in fact, CPA network does not have any offer apart from Windows, Android and iOS. So go ahead and use this particular three: Windows, Android and iOS, for any self-clicking at all that we want to do. In the next series, I'm going to explain how we are going to be using this to perform multiple offers for ourselves every single day. So for instance, right now I'm using my computer to record this video. If I want to self-click on an offer that is for Android, I'm just going to come here and click on Android, and it's going to go ahead and give me a lot of Android that I can go ahead and switch and use. So I can come right there and switch on this one, and I'm going to go ahead and self-click on this particular one. I'm going to show you how we can be able to set up everything in the next series. Okay, so right now you can even go ahead and use your Windows, and I'm going to show you can go ahead and select Windows 7, Windows 10. You can see all these ones, or you can go ahead and use iOS. Okay, if you use iOS, you are going to see iOS 13, that is iPhone, iOS 15, iOS 14, all these ones, different iOS are here. You can self-click as many offers as you want. So right now, let's go ahead and continue with the tutorial. Since you have know how to use this one, and if you go ahead and click on any of them, just come to the down part of it here and click on apply all Windows. Okay, so it's going to go ahead and apply to all Windows. That means nobody is going to understand that you are using the same system, or you are using the same device to self-click on their platform. That is why we need to have this particular tool on our browser installed. So let's go to the next one, and the next one here is going to be WebRTC Lake Shell. Okay, so this particular one here, we are going to go ahead and add it. And if you come here, you're just going to search for WebRTC Lake Shell. So this is it here. I'm just going to go ahead and add it. Make sure you take note of all these particular ones that I just named here, so that you won't forget them and you won't go and do what CPA network is going to go ahead and detect you and block you from using their platform. So go ahead and click on the one that has the Google logo on it, and once you are here, you can see here it says WebRTC Lake Shell add remove from Chrome. Okay, that means that I have already put it on my Chrome and I've been using it for years. So right now, what this particular tool is going to help us to do, if you come here to the top here, is that this one here is going to help us to run what we call DNS leak test. Okay, you can see it here, DNS leak test. So if you click on here to off it, to on it, you're going to see your IP is visible through WebRTC. So our IP is fully visible to this particular platform, and once we on this thing, we are already secured. Okay, so that is why we need to use this particular one. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how we are going to combine all these things, set them off, and make sure we go ahead and self-click to be safe from CPA network. So the next one here is a proxy server and a VPN. Okay, proxy server and VPN is one of the most essential thing we need to use to self-click on CPA network to be safe from their blocking. Okay, so why we need a proxy or a server and a VPN is because this is what we are going to be using to make sure we are secured from self-clicking. So that is why we need to have a proxy or server, and also we are going to be using a VPN. And in my next video, I'm going to be revealing to you the type of proxy and the type of VPN we are going to be using. So that is why it is important for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on the bell notification, so that anytime I put on my next series that is going to show you step by step of how to self-click, you are going to be getting the whole detail, and you're going to go ahead and start making money for yourself. Guys, if you are getting value from this video, don't forget to go ahead and like this video, hit that subscribe button, so that this video is going to go viral for a lot of people to see. Those that are interested in making money with CPA marketing self-clicking can be able to get this particular video to watch. So thank you guys for watching, and we are going to be meeting in the next video.